Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Praljit Karkungor, and if you are new here, do subscribe and click the bell icon. And today I'm gonna talk about things that caught my attention these last few days. Due to the situation, we have been instructed to stay at home, so I hope you guys also doing good at home, and I believe that you have a great time. It's been a long time since I talk like this, so it's all the words are jumbled up and all the things that I said is different. So I want to talk about I'll just read some of the comments that one of the video I upload a turmeric day. Wait, I'll show you. So like here's the comment say, hey Bak Praljit, P la hikai name itu produk trong P Firefly keteng real jong u teng latip tambah to ingko bapin batai ban ngi ko bapin pensyai kam kloi nomor kam dai keduti jong u ban mi ban batai start di kinong comments jong P haba ngi pule ki comment ngim strat yang jeng keren itu Firefly asyong happy kumna penjebab ngin yai up. And okay, let's move on. What's the meaning of behind this video? So while coming back from work, video edited to college to click. How did college come into the picture? So this vendor said, try to upload video with meaning behind that. Don't make April fool the people. It's not even April. Tomorrow is April 1st. So and then my friend, I already informed him about this situation. I already informed him about the comments. So even he was like, we try la bande kat bamone la gajong. And then Fenda nong si to reply us. Hoi kadai ko piong try la bande kat bamone la gajong. Jong la gajong hendrai uba balji Karkungor unnom sultanat ya kena gajing ong jong pi. Namar ba hai tube hi haban pen iya ki konten bakit jeng mut badon ya ki mening klang bangi ki subscriber ngin yo ban ya share lang ki produk jongi drai ban syukran klung kum ma phi habai de bat ki social activity kam ya hab ero te haba te kabham ba pin hab da suntu shawe pin comment Firefly again he reply uba buljit so tenat P ya kena kecil kira kulung juga nomor P come dan meaning hai pat kedan. Okay, Fenda nong say it again. Firefly labiang P na ya bon ketin show na langsung tu le ya kecil long jopi bapim long pimpa long mature ai bidang long kum ba keren bit takadal kiwei teki tip baham bapli kidang bit anduna kimpen kwa pentut hap shu ngai lada pikirnya ya ka bomderu ban pentut ya pite senaila imat pidang kulung takadau ki wei ki ba sungtu ba ba pidang long kumta kis ngau dei bet ya cingkran kulung jompi nomor yu kulung te ngaru ngasutu senang hek kloi on mo. Okay, bon job dok Firefly P pimdei ban wan mi bubble jet ula dapatai ya ga konten jongka video ti P Firefly belai P kending man shapi mo tang na keteng jong P Firefly langsung tu ba pi dei brio kloj pe te kabhana pan comments ha ka channel koi nomor try ula ban ai ge jubab yang ki subscriber but ki bujupet bhai video jong bal jet ngau kam kair kong keren ni Firefly lerde bubble jet pis ngau pi happens to a Firefly hendrai te Instagram ding klai imat idei try ma imo ya kena kacara. You are right, but Fenda Firefly will be condemned. no more replying. Okay, bas em hỏi tờ nga qua hệ nó hi hỏi tờ nga qua hệ nó hi twice ni wow ni ngolaran bahai ni Firefly syukran bet jing sha imde mau bantu kelare channel ba budget ngi kum ki supporter jong ba budget na snoram ngi snoram jing sha ini Firefly imde mau ban batai start kadega comments i fendar nok se ikran ya kabadete ngiru ngi snow kwa hi kumta ngiru ngi kwa hi kumta ni wow ko Firefly da perkhat sha ba pin comment yo la se phiru Pensni channel i budget ka bahaba pin pan map kan yang setelah nak jeng comment so mana pun tu comment Firefly you joker flaming star ko pa wala pi kam start ma pi ndre pi comments kumba baduna daduna so laran pi ban syukan bit kumneten to fi perlok na ya thaw ye Firefly be pli dang khlong in pasoto iba budget sapan toy ni wow judai ban kerang ta pidai uai pi judai ban keren klam nang rim hot kan mat ha nice video budget nice ngap begini kibriu batas peling video rom bubble je kalau ke pun keluar berpentud di kita kan lagi seperti jongpi hot mengaruh ngadai seperti channel jongpi on the day tham kai shu bahe ndrai mat kade tang ni to iba Firefly bahasa mi bon kitin ngatngol lengo habang ai yo pule ki comments to ngi ki bru ba bit YouTube ngi ya Christian iwe kerman ya ki ai babaha ba mentoy om ban pensniu national no hoat ngam danang pareng kumba kento Firefly tangba nganang ban pet ban ngasutu 100% ya ki tien la jong kublai so keep on commenting so that I will read all your comments and stay safe. Just because I cough doesn't mean that I have just a seasonal flu. I don't have the flu. This is seasonal thing. So that's it. Keep on commenting. I think that we will do this kind of episode again where I read all your comments. So if you want me to read all your comments, you can read, but if you keep something else, then I will censor your comment or I will just go to the next comment, something like that. So that's it. See you guys in the next video.